Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So last month I shared with you guys 5 reasons why I love Fabletics. Now I'm here to share with you guys my November favorites. And I have to say I am headed to Colorado at the end of the month and I am super excited to take some Fabletics with me. You're going to see why. Just hold on tight. Let's jump right into it. So first up is this mellow two-piece outfit. And I have to say I am loving the color on it. Now this pullover is eco-friendly and is definitely snuggle worthy. Like you definitely want this pullover, and I know I'll be comfortable and warm while in Colorado. Now this has pocket details right in the front, and it has zipper detail right in the front, as you can see. And I'm loving the fit on this. Paired with the max compression leggings. Now I live, like I told you guys before, I live in Fabletics leggings and sports bras. One thing I am loving, I'm loving these sculpt knit bras. They're super comfortable and the support is really good. And this one right here has a nice cross detail. Like, this is definitely a favorite. Next up is this solid set, and I'm rocking a 1X in this set, and it features these high-waisted iridescent luxe leggings, and I love this set. And I love that this sports bra offers adjustable straps. You know, us girls, we need our adjustable straps. Now this is something that I would probably rock just if doing light workout, probably yoga. No boob spillage, that is definitely a plus. And as you can see, these leggings are high waist. They sit up on my waist. Now this will not make it to Colorado with me, but it will make it to yoga. Next up are these Alaska fleece joggers. Now these are so chic and they are so comfortable. I'm rocking a 1X in these guys, and I cannot wait to rock these with some booties, like everything. I'm loving the pocket detail on these, and I am definitely going to be pairing it with this just long sleeve turtleneck. And I love the ruching detail on the sleeves, because you know sometimes our sleeves can be a little bit too long. So yes, these are definitely coming with me. And let me show you one more pair of joggers. This is the Aspen puffer jogger, and like, I love these. Like, my trip to Colorado is going to be so stylish because of Fabletics. Thank you. I'm wearing a 1X. I love the waistband detail on both of these. It's everything. And wait, the back. So the back doesn't have the puffer detail, but it has a nice comfy stretch knit jogger material. So yes, this is everything. So next up is this cute little sweatsuit that I'll most likely be rocking on the inside of the resort. You know, probably if we go get breakfast, coffee. For me, probably hot chocolate or tea. I don't drink coffee. But I am rocking a 1X. And wait till I show you guys the detail on the legs. So cute. Paired with this sculpt knit bra. Told you guys I love these bras, super duper comfy. And look at the legs, there is a bow on the legs, so I cannot wait to rock this with a cute pair of sneakers and walk around the resort looking real cute. Here's a heads up, here are some Fabletic deals. Any two bottoms are $24 and 50% off the rest of your order, plus free shipping for all new VIP members. Which look was your favorite? Let's chat in the comments.